Hello everyone, how's it going today? Today I got a product that's going to be pretty cool. It's another one from AvalonKing. Now, if you haven't already checked out my video of their ceramic coat, be sure to. I'll include a link below. But today is going to be the AvalonKing Armor Shield Light. Now, what this is a type of product where you don't have to use ceramic coat, you don't have to do all the preparation, you don't have to work with all the buffing. Basically, this is going to be an easy way for those of you that don't have the time, or even some that honestly don't have the patience. Now, what this is a new formula. Everything they envision from the ceramic formula applied into a light coating. This itself is going to last you 3 to 6 months. Now, it's ultra hydrophobic. I'm really looking forward to trying it out, and as you can see, I have a brand new ride here. Easy to apply. It's going to give this brand new car even more of a gloss and a depth. You can apply it really any temperature, wet or dry. Today what I'm going to do is wash the car. It's already looking very clean, but it's got a light coat of dust on it. So I want to clear off that dust, get it all dried off. So what I also thought was really cool about this product is, unlike others that if it touches any glass or any of this chrome, it gets all cloudy, all hazy, where this you can apply to anything. So I'm literally going to coat the whole vehicle in this ceramic light spray. So before we get into it, let me do a little montage here of getting this brand new car washed. One thing I wanted to go ahead and point out is just washing the car. You can tell there's no coating at all applied to it. Everything just sits on it. I mean, just look at the sides here. So this is going to be a really good test to be able to see how well this ceramic coating works for us. So now I have the car all washed off. The next step is going to be just to dry it off, and I was able to pick up some awesome all-purpose microfiber towels here from AvalonKing. Now, what's pretty cool too is it comes in this little case. Now, whenever I go to car shows or anything like that, I'll normally just throw some in there, but they may get stuck on the floorboard, get dirty, and don't want to use them. Where it's kind of nice, you got this little pouch top here. Put your towels in here, and it keeps them just out of the way from getting contaminated before you actually use them, which I think is super sweet. What's also awesome about these towels is that they are edgeless, and so you don't have to worry about anything rubbing on the sides. You can literally just go like this, clean with the sides just as much as cleaning with the middle here. Alright, so I now have everything dry, and I will say that this towel was awesome. I was able to just wipe it, wring it out, and brought back that water absorbent quality to it. So these towels are pretty awesome for what they are. As well, let's move on to this final step here of getting the actual ceramic spray installed on this brand new vehicle. So the kit will come itself with the actual sprayer, the bottle with the cap. So what's nice too is that you could actually take that sprayer off and put the cap on later once you're finished up. And you can see here too, they got it sealed for quality. Let's see if we can get this off. All right, now the last part, just put your sprayer on and you are ready to go. Now I would say one thing to pay attention to whenever you get this product is you have one set that actually sprays out as a mist, and this other side, you can see it here, just has a little line, and so it's going to go directly out. Now what I'm going to do is the misting portion of it, that way I can cover a lot of area at one time here. Alright, so I'm simply going to just pick my section here, get it sprayed on. And simply just wipe it off. I honestly wanted to admit that I was a little skeptical about applying it to the glass. I thought maybe it would haze or look a little waxy, but it actually did the opposite. There were some water spots that were on the glass itself. It took off the water spots, as well as, I mean, you can just see it's literally a mirror. So I just wanted to point that out. It's really awesome. Now for the wheels, since you have your actual rim itself, I didn't want to spray directly into here because it's hard to reach back into there. So what I'm going to do is spray directly onto the towel here. And then wipe down the wheel. Now the wheels are all done. Just look at that gloss that it has on it now. Looks really awesome. So now I'm gonna work on the side here. Alright, so the last part is going to be the hood and then the grill here. Now one thing I wanted to test is the hydrophobic quality of this. So let's see here, this is just some water. Wow, and as you can see, it just runs off here. So the car is looking super nice. Like I said too, the windows are just so mirror-like now. Thanks to the AvalonKing Armor Shield Light. Now this ceramic spray again is supposed to last 3 to 6 months, really just depending on the weather and conditions in your area. But definitely check them out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact AvalonKing, or you can leave a comment below, or always message me on Instagram at WRX_snowboarder. But as always, happy driving and enjoy.